Hi, I'm Joe from Prepper in the Woods, and today we're going to work on the Fast Fire Stick. That is a new product from Procamptek. I have a lot of items from Procamptek. My favorite one would be the fire plugs, which this is a big version of. But I used a fat rope and all the rest of it as well. But one of these, I want to test it out. I actually froze one overnight, and I want to see if it works after being frozen. I know these all work really well. I just want to kind of push it a bit, you know, instead of the normal soaking, will it work kind of thing. I wanted to really test it out. So me and Trudy are going to show you how these work today. Right, so what we're going to do is I'm going to bring it down here. Trudy's going to light the non-frozen fast fire stick, and I'm going to do the frozen one. So I'll just break that up and use that. And then we have, this is my new fire kit. Who's it from?
David Fryers.
That's it, David Fryers. So I like this pouch because when you open it up, you kind of can operate. You see everything that's in it, and you don't have to dig around too much. And plus, it's less room in the bag. So let's have a look now and get to it. Okay, so Trudy's gonna cut that piece off. That's it. Good job. I'm gonna fluff it up.
That's enough.
There you are. That's it. Yeah. Good job.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yep. Good solid burn and easy to light. You can see it's a bit windy here. It's still going. So like I said, this fire kit is quite nice. The pouch opens up and I can just pull out all my Procamptek stuff in there. I like using the fire plugs, which I'm going to enjoy using this one because it's a large version of that. You can see I have the fat rope used. You know, it's all interesting stuff, like, you know, different ways of lighting fires. So, but now let's get on to this one. So I'm going to break this up and see if this works. Right, move that one out of the way. Solid. Cutting it should be fun. There we go. It still cuts pretty well. And you can see that part's still frozen. Oop, there you are. So just going to make it so I can fluff it a little bit. I'm doing this all in one take, so you guys won't think I'm cheating. Which I probably could do it in the fire, in the water here. I won't burn the thing. Alright, just fluff a little bit. There you are. So you can hear the crackling of the water. Right, so there you have it, another reliable fire starter from Procamptek. Trudy hasn't much experience with lighting fires and she can do it. I've done it from frozen, so this is a very reliable fire starter. So I bought this from Bath Bushcraft shop. I think they were £8 each plus shipping, so that's a good deal. So I'll put a link description box below for you guys. Thanks guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next one. Bye.